The Supacat Jackal, also MWMIK, otherwise nicknamed MWMIK, though an acronym for Mobility Weapon Mounted Installation Kit, currently serves the British Army as a multi-purpose, wheeled, all-terrain mobile weapons platform and reconnaissance car. The vehicle heads a line of military-minded systems provided by the Supacat concern. The base car was developed specifically for British Army service for use in Afghanistan, where crews were repeatedly subject to ambush and IED, improvised explosive device, attacks from rebel forces. As such, the Jackal is designed for maximum crew survivability while attempting to keep the vehicle as mobile as possible. Supacat designates the Jackal product under its HMT class as the HMT 400, and includes a 6x6 version as the HMT 600, and a Special Forces-minded variant as the HMT Extender. The vehicle is manufactured, under license, by the American concern of Lockheed Martin. The Jackal features a length of 90 feet, a width of 6.7 feet and height of 6.2 feet. Its wheelbase measures 9.8 feet with a ground clearance of up to 1.6 feet, 0.60 feet minimum. Gross weight is reported at 16,755 pounds, while being able to carry a 4,630 pounds mission payload. The design includes a thought given to clearances near the lower front and lower rear of the vehicle as well. The vehicle can traverse gradients of 60% and ford up to 3.3 feet of water. Due to the open-air nature of the crew area, rollovers are protected by a fixed roll bar structure. The Jackal features a 3-layer protection scheme intended to improve survivability of its occupants. This includes mine-resistant seats and a mine-resistance floor. Ballistics IED protection is then furthered by armored plates at the sides, front and rear of the vehicle. The open-air crew compartment minimizes weight, and allows for unfettered access around the vehicle by the occupants engaging the enemy through onboard weaponry or personal arms. A composite armor kit is optional for added protection against armor-defeating projectiles. A typical crew complement is 3 with the driver seated at the front right of the vehicle and a dedicated gunner at the center weapons ring. The compact dimensions and base weight of the Jackal allow it to air transported within the hold of a British Army CH-47 Chinook tandem rotor helicopter. The chassis sits atop a 4-wheeled arrangement, fully suspended by a sport-type independent double wishbone, air-adjustable ride height system for good cross-country travel capabilities. The chassis is supplied by Universal Engineering Limited. Power is served through a Cummins 6-cylinder diesel engine of 185 horsepower, which promotes a top road speed of 80 miles per hour and operational range of nearly 500 miles. The engine is mated to a 5-speed Allison automatic transmission system tied to a 2-4-wheel drive system, while steering is power-assisted. Supacat offers run-flat tires as optional, and other accessories include a powered winch for self-recovery, electrically operated smoke grenade dischargers, and support for a remote weapon station, RWS. Copyright symbol militarifactory.com. As a weapons platform, the Jackal can be outfitted with several crew-served weapons in the form of 7.62mm and 12.7mm machine guns and 40mm automatic grenade launchers, these weapons consistent for a vehicle of this type. The primary weapons ring is found at the center of the vehicle with a commanding view of the situation around the entire car, offering a complete 360-degree engagement angle. The Jackal vehicle has already seen practical combat service with the British commitment concerning Afghanistan. There have been mixed results in terms of crew survivability with enemy IEDs, though the vehicle's inherent firepower capabilities and mobility have proven good qualities of the design, allowing for a variety of mission types to be fulfilled, including convoy and fire support. Some 500 total vehicles will eventually stock the British Army inventory heading into the near future. The base Jackal line has been evolved to include the Jackal 2 offering based on the original Jackal vehicle. Combat service has dictated a reinforced understructure for improved mine resistance and a broadened weapons loadout capability, incorporating a front and rear weapons position as well as room for additional crew. The Jackal also forms the basis for the Coyote line of 6x6 wheeled vehicles, which are intended as multi-role carriers, as opposed to direct contact and assault platforms. The chassis has been extended to include a third axle, though the vehicle retains the cross-country capabilities of the 4x4 version. The 6x6 design is designated by Supacat as the HMT 600. The Coyote features a running length of 23 feet, a width of 6.7 feet and a height of 6.2 feet. Its wheelbase is 14 feet with a maximum ground clearance of 1.6 feet. Overall weight is 23,150 pounds with a 8,600 pounds payload limit. Road speeds reach 75 miles per hour with a road range out to 435 miles. The vehicle can also ford water sources of 3.3 feet and approach gradients up to 60%. Power is served through a Cummins 6-cylinder diesel engine of 180 horsepower with a 5-speed automatic transmission, and offers 2-4-wheel drive support. Run flat tires, the recovery winch and RWS are also optional. The chassis can also serve in the mobile, wheeled, rocket projector role and can also be ordered with an enclosed driving and crew compartment. The HMT extender is a further, related, 4x4/6x6 offering from Supacat intended for special forces elements. The third axle is removable while the overall design is intended to be a highly modular form of the Jackal line, supplying the basic benefits inherent in the standard HMT 400 and HMT 600 lines, including mine protection and air transportation.